This project is hugely important to maintaining habitat connectivity for lots of species through the Appalachians, so how species might move at the scale of our continent.
Ensuring the existence of these precious aquatic jewels, now under siege by warming climate and expanding development, was just one impetus for the Magalloway Collaborative Project, a coalition of 4 conservation groups that have joined forces to purchase and conserve 78,000 acres of privately held land surrounding the headwaters of the Magalloway.
No other place, literally, that has been rated the number one spot by the scientists as the most resource and nutrient-rich region up there in all of New England. No kidding. It's pretty impressive. That's what's so important about the Magalloway project over there.
Ranger Lakes Heritage Trust will end up owning about 4,400 acres. We are all about preserving public access to all types of outdoor recreation. So whether you're visiting to fish, fishing's obviously one of the biggest things, paddle, hike, hunting, all of that will be within Ranger Lakes Heritage Trust's part of the property.
The Trust has secured affirmative rights to conduct river restoration throughout the entire Magalloway project area.
So the idea is to create a nice little riffle and then a pool, and then a little riffle and then a pool, so that brook trout coming upstream can have a nice little place to rest and then hop up to the next pool.
Central to the Magalloway Collaborative Project proposal to the current landowner was achieving a balance between conservation and maintaining a working forest that provides jobs and other economic benefits to the surrounding community.
So Beirut LLC is the owner of the property. They own over 500,000 acres here in western Maine and northern New Hampshire. We really like the focus on working forests and taking out the potential development value, the other potential uses of the land, and letting us focus on sustainable timber management.
Overall, the property has to be managed sustainably. There are a list of items related to that in terms of the landowner is going to model out how much they know is growing, how much that means they can harvest in a certain time period, making sure that they're accounting for all the other wildlife habitats and recreational resources that are out there. Key to the whole project is keeping the status of that access as it was so that people can continue to come and recreate there.
The Northeast Wilderness Trust, or NEWT, has a different goal. It will hold in fee 11,200 acres in the northernmost part of the Magalloway watershed as a forever wild preserve that is open to the public and where no logging or development will ever be allowed.
You can have kind of more of a backcountry experience up here, again, which is sort of rare in the Northeast. Core of our mission is really ecocentric, so nature for nature's sake. Having places where nature can heal and thrive, and our goal is to not necessarily pick winners or losers, but let nature do its thing out on the land.